2, 1. Okay, so my friends all across the world, let me say something. What happened over the weekend, the last 4 days? Okay, so listen. Last week, and I wanted to just put it on camera because, last week for me, it wasn't a trading week. We already smacked about 7 weeks. I don't even know. I can't count from December the 10th. Last week wasn't that. So the analogy here, is this. Well, I know when to roll out and roll in, and I've told all my mans, okay. I said, mate, give me till Monday, because Monday's when we have to go ham again. So we go hard as motherfuckers on Monday, which is right now. And I had a couple, this, that, and the other yesterday. Again, just in and out learning from beautiful Vietnamese people and women, yeah. And right now, do I ever lay in bed? Do I ever feel depressed? No. Does my energy just roll through like a fucking psycho? Yes. And I'm just clean cut. I went a bit ham on Facebook the other day. Anyone fucking messaging me some bullshit or lying to me and my team, we're not involved. We are not involved, mate. Do you think that we have bigger fish to fry? Absolutely. Do you think that I'm going to continue to talk about amateur stuff? No. Is it boring? Yes. Am I learning? No. I learn from myself and what I do outside of work. Okay? This, that, and the other. The last 2 years for me personally was a massive learning curve. I'm building the strength outside of the arena to bring into the arena at the prolific time. So right now, let me tell you something. So it's my birthday this month, okay, 25th, and then it's also the real business launch of what we're doing, SCAP Asia, SCAP Trading, this, that, and the other. And I've waited so long to even put a site out there and get involved because I needed to be fully involved. Not half involved, I want to be fully involved, fully intertwined, so to speak. And when I go ham, this is the year for me to go ham, because I know like in 18 months I can put a B on the table. And that's it. And everyone who used to see me, they don't even know me. No one knows me no more. I don't know them, I don't give a fuck. Okay? That's what I'm doing. And that's the first B. And it's gonna listen. So what I'm trying to suggest to you is, can you just fucking have some time out? Go enjoy your life, get your dough that you make from the market. Yeah? Fuck your little prop firm accounts, because guess what? I've had 5 guys say, oh, I'm gonna do this from a prop firm, I didn't get paid, didn't pay me. Guess what I've been saying to you motherfuckers? Bro, they're all going down because they haven't got no money. It's just like, I was angry the other day because I say things 50 times over. And it's nice if you want to be a prick and just take money off people and say, yeah, this is a great prop firm, this, that, and the other. No, I don't need to do that. That's why I was telling my boy Jordan to fucking delete half the people in there. Because I tell you something, then you ask me again. I tell you 5 times, I waste my breath, which is very expensive, and you ask me again. You know what I'm saying? Do I learn from that? Because I'm a big learner. No. I learned how dumb motherfuckers are. And if I wanted to rape all of you, I could rape all of you. I could have been that rapist who raped all of you for money. But I'm not that person. You know what I'm saying? I have passion about the industry. I have passion about everything. And you got all these bands on Twitter talking to me like, well, fucking, I don't even need to talk. What are you even on about? Shut up, you're not on this level, bro, and you can't even do what I can do. So be quiet, okay? Don't talk to me, I'm not talking to you. So basically, got some, drank a little bit of sake yesterday, the gorgeous food yesterday, and then, we were chilling, hanging out. So basically what we're gonna do now, in a torrential, so I just love the river. It's quite calming. And what we're going to do now is this, and I guarantee that you need to stay on for this, because we have institutional realms in Vietnam and outside of Vietnam who are going to watch this, my guys, and we have banks in Vietnam, outside Vietnam, we're going to watch this, and then you got my mans out here who have a brain, who are going to watch this too. So what I'm going to say and suggest is this. What did I say to everybody 4 days ago, 5 days ago? I said, I'm going to come back on Monday, I'm going to smash it. I got 21 days until obviously 24th, 25th, 26th, okay? And then we're going to go from there. I wear glasses, by the way, because fucking I've had enough of looking at screens. I need to have a day off from screens, but I can't do it. Can't do it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through gold, I'm going to go through oil, because oil fucking sunk. What did I say about oil last week? I said I'm not going to trade oil, but I said for you guys, what I would recommend is take the constitutes of how I look at the market, how I put the chart together, and add it to oil. Try it. You don't have to be in every fucking trade. You just have to, for educational volume and work ethic, you don't have to be in every fucking instrument. You can look at 10 instruments. Don't get me wrong, and just put the stuff on there to see how everything I speak about, it works on every instrument. I'm not here trying to talk about news or old stuff, this, that, and the other. The old stuff is good for the amateurs. I'm talking about get yourself together and do this shit properly. Everything I've done, 80% of it is fabricated by everyone else that you look at. Okay. Now, what I like to also suggest and talk about is outside of the arena, outside of FX or making the dough, because I've been in every situation possible, believe me. I've been in a lot of whatever. I'm going to break down for everybody certain questionable pieces of information that we talk about when it comes down to fasting, health, this, that, and the other, how to fucking lose your head sometimes, how to maintain and bring that back, how to, this, that, and the other when it comes down to even little decibels of training. I don't even train that much no more. Why? Because I've still got fractures in my skull, and also at the same time, I can just come in like fast. I don't want to sit here going, oh, this is, hey guys, this is how to fast. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. Why? Because you're, and guys, listen, I'm probably going to get Jordan saying, are you drinking? It's 7 a.m, yeah? What the fuck? This is how my mind rolls, because I'm passionate. Yeah. Do you think I need to talk about fasting? About 25 different fucking vitamins and shit, bro? No, I'm way ahead. I don't even need to take a vitamin. Because it's 2024, and this is why I get pissed sometimes, yeah, because it's 2024, human evolution should have been through the roof right now, which I've gone through, and people are talking about what vitamins are good for fasting. Yo, this is good, mate. How about get fucking knocked clean out and see if you come back from it and put in a coma, and then this and the other, and see what vitamin you need, mate. No, your breath is a vitamin. The etherium in the fucking substance of the atmosphere is a vitamin. Yeah, but you can't even breathe properly. So why are you putting shit in your body which you don't need? You hear me? So, you get me? So like, I could sit there all day for fucking 2-3 weeks, yeah? I could drink every fucking day if I wanted to, gin and tonic, with no food. And then wake up one day and we go, straight back in the market. I've quit now, this, that, and the other, because I have that discipline factor now. I love going out. I love going out at night time to go and see the beautiful people in this country and learn from them and meet them. That's what I like to do, and to switch off from the market, because we've already balled out like hardcore for 5 weeks. There's people that's 5 weeks, and people are asking me what's gold doing now on a Friday night. I'm like, what the fuck are you talking? Who are you talking to? Go and ask somebody else. Ask Jordan, ask Josh. They're on that level. I'm not that kid. You hear what I'm saying? So, with that being said, guys, this is a major appropriate factor for living outside of the market, and which no one can do. Anyone can tell you about liquidity levels or this, that, and the other, but they can't give you the mainframe research of how to be a fucking successful human when it comes in and out the market and what you do outside of spare time, because everyone just sat at home with a girlfriend. Fuck that. I have many women who are my people, and I appreciate and I respect them. I'm not going to sit here with one person all day. What the fuck, mate? I don't know what you man are on. Whatever. My brain works too fast to even bring that into an equation of personal reality. I've done it. People have seen me, they've stuck by me, especially last year, of being a hardcore psychopath. And I came back, which I couldn't offer all on my own. And then I came through the markets better than I've ever been before. And I'm always gonna, if you ask me a question, I will answer it straight up. I don't care about anything which can jeopardize I haven't even launched anything in my life yet. Everything you've seen me, and the people who you've seen me with before, nobody's, bro. So anyway, now we go through the charts right now, but these are important factors. These are important points of info and rings of information that you need to know. And I'm not a kid who's going to talk on Twitter. And Jordan said, "Oh, should we get Twitter?" I go, "Fuck Twitter, fuck everything, bro. I don't need nothing. I don't need to go on Twitter and then pretend that I'm, a secure person when all of you insecure bastards are talking some shit when you don't even make money. I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't need to be in that arena, in that realm of these idiots. I don't put myself against all of these people from England, all of these people that, no, different arenas, mate. And you all know, you would never say what you say on Twitter about me to my face, believe me. You trust me, you would not. Trust me, I'll make you shake, mate. So anyway, let's have a look at this macro arena on gold now, because we're now getting really into 2024. Okay, so when I say we're getting really into 2024, the 5th of the 2nd. So I have 21 days, and I've timed this perfectly. 21 days for my launch of my business. Well, I've got multiple that people don't even know about, but this framework of coming back to online. So that means we have 15 trading days from today right now. So it's now the 5th, and I'm looking at the 25th. I've got many things going on the river, and then on the 26th I'm 33. And then March, I have a few things going on. My first Vietnamese arena over there, beautiful seminar it's going to be. Then I'm going to Malaysia. And then at the same time, I can't even think about what's going to happen in April, May, June, July yet, because life's going to change real quick. Even though life's beautiful, but it's going to level up, so to speak. Now, if you look at the weekly on gold, we're going to get this framework. Okay, so the framework on gold, I told you last week, there's a high-end liquidity portal here, okay, at 2050s. I mean, we spiked through that and we closed below. So I was looking at, okay, I knew after 1, 2, 3, 4, after 1, 2, 3, 4, we might see some conclusion of price and an epidemic of what's going to happen. And then we did see the epidemic of the market pulling back. And what the market did, it tested, it ranged through the previous week, and it spiked for the previous week, because this is all laid out. And that's why I was saying to everybody, I've seen what's happened in the last month, or 4 weeks to be precise, because I don't do dates and times much unless I talk about it. So what happened? What did it do? It went 1, 2, 3, 4, and then came back down. So what it did, I had to take out the last 4 months of an epidemic, and I would call this price action because it's up and down. I'm not calling things price action like you dickheads on social media and all you scumbags on YouTube. I'm saying it because it's a sideways market protocol. But your mentors who you give money to, they don't even know anything, and I'm still waiting for every man in the game to come on a webinar, because now now I've got energy to just raid you off and show you how bad you are in front of your people. So anyway, with that being said, there's multiple areas of volume here, and the biggest area of volume is still 2037. So if we come out of the weekly for a hot second, okay, and then go into the daily. So what we're going to look at on the daily is this. Where's gold going to go next? Okay, so I'm going to tell you where it's going to go and when it's going to go and why. Do I care about little fundamentals and bring up a fucking thing on Forex Factory? No, I'm not a dickhead. So I don't know what you man are on about. Like, you look at it, you don't need to talk about it. You just need to know when not to, like, be that guy in the baseball camp, so to speak. You know how much dough I've fluctuated in the last 24 months, and I was losing sometimes 200 grand a fucking week, mate, because I wasn't ever focused. when it comes down to prime areas of focus and suggestions for yourself, I said last time on the video, I said last time, yeah. I said last time on the video, humility and knowing how many people to look at. Get off Telegram, get off Instagram. You know, the point I'm trying to express here is this: get off the people that are still looking at 20 man's variations. And I told you, don't even look at my variation, but just pick something, or pick 2 or 3 max, and then do it yourself. Learn yourself. I'm really happy. I told my man Jordan, I said, anyone who asks me a dumb question, get the fuck out the group. Give them the dough back. We don't even make money off this shit. Give them the dough back. It's pissing me off. I don't want to get pissed off when I got fucking 10 different things and even family is snaking me out. I said, stop. Bounce. Leave me alone. I don't learn from no one apart from fucking just bullshit that people say. So, what I'm trying to say and comprehend here is, I'm really happy with the guys who literally use the brains. Lots of love to you, because you're my people. I love you a lot. I'll always be here for you. And, you know, good job, because you're using your intellect. And that's what 2024 is about, using intellect in the model of the universe. And that's why I just get mad. Do I have expectations from people? Yes, and I've had this conversation over the last 2 days to say I'm not going to do that no more. So my expectations have ran out. Okay, done that, because I just think like humans, you know, we all should be smart, but we shouldn't. And I got told that by 3 people yesterday. I was like, okay, cool, I understand. Sorry. Understand, overstand. It's all good in the hood. So, what we can see on gold, yeah, is this 2044 is looking like a beautiful variation of knowledge. So let's just get straight to the charts now. I'll stop talking shit, because, well, it's not shit. It's beauty. I just care about you, man. I just care about people since I sorted my brain out, and I care. I'm passionate about this. You know, I'm not a little Twitter man. You would never see my face. You would never want to come near me, mate. Believe me. So anyway, what we can see here on the gold market and the gold industry, so to speak, is this. So let me just run a few things on here before we get to the macro and the macro. So what I can see and what I can believe and what I can suggest right now is this: gold needs to, gold in essence will need to come here. So 1985 is going to be the target potential for gold. We'll get to the smaller factor in a second, but we're going from here to here, and that's it. Okay, so yeah, 1985 is the overall suggestion for gold. Okay, easy work. You can see what happened in the, so this is the weekly basis, what the week has done for the last 3 weeks to take that out, and now the takeout has happened. This is why last week I had a little bit of fun, this, that and the other, because I knew there was nothing there. I'm not going to waste my time and anybody else's time. I'm not going to talk if I don't need to talk, especially on the Discord, because we already killed 5-6 weeks. And you know what, I'm happy with myself. I'm proud of myself for doing that, because look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the last 4 weeks, and we killed this. And then I said, okay, you know what? I'm gonna stabilize myself, and I'm gonna come back when the time is right. And that's what we have to do. You need to know when to stop. You understand what I'm saying? So when we stop, we stop. We live our life. We don't trade in New York on a Friday night. And even when people with girlfriends are doing that, they must fucking hate you. What the fuck? You lot are in a shitty ass relationship, doing shitty ass fucking things, shitty ass discipline, and fucking take your woman out. I bet your woman's cheating on you, innit? Because you're a waste man. You're a waste man, mate. If you do that and you can't listen, and I'm giving you a spoon on a plate, and you're just being, oh man, you're so waste man. Anyway, excuse me. So what's going to happen now? Let me just pull this other framework up. So this here, this is where volume came out. The volume that came in from A to B and what was snatched at 2055, the volume that was snatched at 2055 down, okay, and I was asleep here, and that was I asleep there? Or no, I wasn't involved, sorry, no, yeah. I wasn't involved because I didn't need to be involved. I had other things to do. Now, what's basically happened, if we look at this is the 90-minute, which is a godsend. For me to tell you this for free is mad. So 1, 2, 3 catalysts, 90, 90, 90, and we started in 90 frame. This was New York, so New York came in, and then the next day New York came out. So New York, Chicago, called Chicago. Well, they didn't need to call Chicago for Chicago. Then they raided the market again. So in and out real quick. Exponential extravaganza of just taking this low out. Look at that. Look at where the body is of the candle here. Okay. So what's going to happen now is that's going to roll through. We're going to start to decimate everything that we've seen before. Do I need VWAP? No. Do I need a brain? No. Do I need to think about 2009? Yes. Do I need to then think about the lower echelons of volume, which is going to be here. Gold is going to come into 1982 at least. Let me look at this. Do I need session indicators? No. I do that to tell people as amateurs, okay, you can come in. Do I need anything? Not really. So let's look at 26 minutes. So we've got the 8-minute. And this is just a new thing that I roll through because I was told about my numerology for my birthday. 26 of the second, so 2 add 6 is 8, and then I learned about the 8 number. I didn't actually know this. It's a figure of wealth and it's a figure of good luck when it comes down to finance. And 2 and 6 for me is 8. This is a very important year, so I changed the 8-minute time frame as my execution protocol, and then 26 is obviously 8, 16, 24. 2 add 4 is 26. So that's it. And then obviously the 90s. 1-1. People are talking about sitting out. Let's have a look what they're on about. I don't know what my man's talking about. I mean, look, sometimes my own people say something against me. I don't know what you want. It's not just about things on a week. It's called what I've just spoke about for fucking nearly 20 minutes. It's called knowing when the cyclical changes coming in, and then you go hard for the next 3-4 weeks. It's not about deep retracements, Josh. The fuck, bro. Well, carry on doing your thing. So basically 1, 2, we came through here, and then what I'm looking at right now, just to give you a heads up, is the psychological arrangement. What I would suggest is that if we do come up into the arena of 2047, and it's not about always being put one lot, no, looking at the deep pullback. No, mate, hedge funds do not work like that, mate. They do not work like that. I wouldn't slap the fucking microphone again, because guess what? If the market goes up, you go scale in, and then you roll it and then you hold it. You know, and this is a holding period, because if the pip potential is 600, 700, and I've not even seen most of these people put dough out, put a bank account out, nothing. It's like, what the fuck? People are talking about things that you can just go on Google and find, mate, or listen to me and find it, and then just write it different. What the fuck? 1 second, Jordan's messaged me. All right, so anyway. We look at this for now. Where can gold potentially pull back from? When we talk about intraday or session, we can go from here to here, and then we can roll in. We can. I need to call Jordan, man, because I'm getting vexed. We can go in here and then we can roll out. So that's going to be the potential. And then you know what I'm saying. BTC, we're looking at. I don't even care about that, to be honest with you. You've got retards with no dough again, trying to trade this. And then the model of let me tell you something that I really like. And the thing that I really like and admire right now is GBPUSD short. and I told you last week it was my first week. Company wedge. The first week I did was again. This is just an arrangement for you guys to learn and navigate from, and everything that I put out is 100% thingy when it comes down to technical, and everything that I say and speak and suggest to you guys when not to do it, and you guys are still trying to do it. I'm very intuitive on how and when to do things, and when to stop, and when to go and enjoy life, and stop. Some of you man with just a girlfriend sat at home. I feel sorry for you, innit? I feel fucking sorry for you, mate. Especially when you're trying to negotiate your own personal self-worth and value, and this, that, and the other. So look, can you see here on that, there's 1.2659, and we've just broke that. So GBPUSD, easy short, free money. If we look at gold, silver. This is how fast my brain works as a man. If we look at oil, okay, structure on oil. So we just broke through the main bottom end profile. Oil's going to go into, I would say, 70. So you got 250 pips, 256, whatever, and we go from there. So look at this gorgeous chart, and can you see and clearly suggest to me how everything I've already drawn on is being reacted and responded to, and I don't need to sit here like a dickhead on a Monday drawing new things. No, that's not how it works. That's it. Yeah. I don't even know what man's on about. I let them live for a bit. But yeah, that's all good in the hood. So over here, high suggestions are this. Okay, so let's look at this navigation factor. The navigation factor was placed in at Friday the 12th of January at 11:30. Over here, we broke the navigation factor Thursday the 1st of February at 1600 hours. So that was New York against London right there. So New York came in, it's more Chicago. It's already put the differentiation in, and now we've came down, and that's where the money came in. So the A to B was A to B, and then the A to B came back out. So A to B, B now turns to A to B, bang, and then we're gonna roll in for the darkness. So that's it. Have a good day. Give me some feedback, and then you're gonna make some dough if you listen to what I'm saying. And if you have something stupid to say, don't say it. Thank you.